morning. It is all the news all the time, and it's very nice of you to be with us today. And we've got some interesting news coming out today of Joelle Rich. Who is Joelle Rich? She's a partner at Schilling's law firm in London, and she's dating Johnny Depp, or that's what the word on the street is. Let's have a little look. Mail Online, they're the real deal, it says. Johnny Depp is seriously dating British lawyer. Let's have another look. There she is. Seriously British lawyer who represented him in the 2020 libel trial. She works for Prince Harry and Meghan's law firm. Oh yeah, she's at Schilling's, and is going through a divorce herself from the father of her 2 children. Johnny is reportedly dating a London-based attorney named Joelle Rich, 37 years old, and she represented him during the libel trial against the Sun. This thing's in the way. In 2020, he ended up losing that case. Well, however, he seems to have got himself a girlfriend. A verdict that his legal team branded bewildering. That's what they say. And now a source, and I say it as well, I've looked into it, I find it bizarre. I've made a video on it. If you want to have a look at that video, I'll put it up here. Now a source has claimed to US Weekly that Rich and Depp are seriously dating, saying their chemistry is off the charts. That's the thing about chemistry, it's always on some sort of chart, and they are the real deal. The chart is called the periodic table. Rich, who is a partner at major law firm Schilling's, is currently in the process of getting divorced from her husband Jonathan. I bet he's discombobulated by this news. Imagine if your girlfriend was like, sorry darling, I'm leaving you, and you're like, what? Yes, I'm going to go and be with Johnny Depp. I'm like, okay, fair enough. With whom she has 2 kids. The claims about her relationship with Depp come after much speculation that he was dating another of his lawyers, Camille Vasquez. She's nice too as well. I like her. Let's have another look at Joelle. There she is. She looks nice. And what else is going on? DailyMail.com exclusively revealed in June that Vasquez was in a relationship with Edward O, and we don't care about that. Johnny Depp is reportedly in a serious relationship, there they are together, with a London-based attorney. We don't call them attorneys in the UK. They're either barristers or solicitors. And if she works for Schilling's, she'll be a solicitor. She may be a barrister, but I would assume she's a solicitor, who represented him in his unsuccessful 2020 libel trial against British newspaper The Sun. Joelle Rich, 37 years old, is a partner at major international law firm Schilling's, but which also represent Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. The law firm represents these 2, not her particularly. It's a very big law firm, and is currently going through a divorce from the father of her 2 children. US Weekly reports that Rich and her husband Jonathan, a director at corporate finance group Blue Box, whom she wed in 2011, are in the midst of a divorce, with the source claiming to the publication that the lawyer's relationship with Depp is serious. The chemistry is off the charts, saying that the source said that while Rich had no professional obligation during the trial in Virginia, she was present in the courtroom in order to offer support, in quotation marks, to the Pirates of the Caribbean star, noting that the case was personal for her. A spokesman for Mr. Depp declined to comment. I bet he did. So there is. Johnny Depp's reportedly in a serious relationship with this lovely looking lady here, Joelle Rich. Is that Joelle? Yeah. Who represented him in 2020 unsuccessfully. Pictured together at the defamation trial, defamation case. That's in Virginia, which is in a different country. So she's either traveling with him or, very interesting. I'm making speculation here. So what do we got here? This is the partner, the current partner she's getting divorced to, I assume. Yeah, Jonathan. So he's like, what? So Rich is not to be confused with another pretty brunette lawyer, Camille Vasquez. That's right. Vasquez denied all speculation, and she did turn up at the was it the Czech Republic gig, Prague gig that he did, and they said hello with. She brought her boyfriend or husband, boyfriend. Depp split from Heard in 2017. God, she's awful. After tying the knot in 2015, 18 months of sheer horror. According to US Weekly, I always want to say Us Weekly, Depp's alleged relationship with Rich began discreetly. That's always how it does. With the outlet's insider claiming that the pair would meet up in hotels during the earliest days of their romance. Rich is currently still wed to her husband. However, the pair are understood to be formally separated. She's in the process of being divorced. We understand she has 2 children. It's a bit repetitive at the moment. So there you go. There's Camille, there's Johnny, there's the awful person, just awful. And she was raised, this is Joelle Rich, was raised in London. She went to the North London Collegiate School, private school, currently charges $22,000 before earning an undergraduate law degree at the University of Birmingham, very good university. Before taking up a job at Shillings just 1 month after her wedding, Rich was a trainee solicitor at DLA Piper. I was looking at her LinkedIn profile. There she is here. As you can see, she's a partner at Shillings. That's a serious job. She used to go to BPP. I went to BPP actually, but I never went to Shillings. And what else was she? She was a trainee solicitor at DLA Piper. Now she's a partner at Shillings. So I was thinking that's an amazing jump from trainee to partner. But no, she was a trainee at DLA Piper and then moved to Shillings in 2011. And I assume in the last 11 years she got promoted from associate to partner. She went to BPP and she did electives in media and entertainment. Oh, that makes sense, yeah. And intellectual property and commercial private acquisitions. So she must have specialised in media and entertainment and IP, probably in commercial as well. Yeah, very interesting. And here's a profile at Shillings law firm itself. She's a partner. There she is, 37 years old. Being a partner at Shillings at 37, that's very impressive. She helps individuals and families in the public eye protect their privacy and reputations, both in and outside of the courtroom. Often acting for her clients in times of crisis, Joelle works to defend their reputations against false and defamatory allegations in print, online and on social media. That's why she got involved. She has particular expertise in protecting individuals' privacy from unwarranted intrusion and media attention. Well, not so much now. With over a decade of experience in media law, she is able to astutely identify risks to clients' privacy and reputation, devising effective strategies to safeguard them. Well, there you go. She's a specialist in all these things, in defamatory allegations and privacy, and yeah, she sounds highly intelligent, and I like her already. She sounds great. This is some other stuff. What is this? We don't need that. So there you go. Very interesting. Johnny Depp dating Joelle Rich from London, 37. There she is. And yeah, very good. So let me know your thoughts and hopes and dreams and ambitions. Let me know what you think of the match. I think she's very nice. And yeah, I'll put some videos up here so you can watch another video if you like. Press the old like and subscribe button to hear about any more stuff. And there's always memberships if you want to join the membership. And I will see you guys later.